Still you got around 3000 rupees. Hi everyone, today we will build a 30,000 gaming PC. Why build a 30,000 PC? The 30,000 PC is perfect for playing modern games at medium settings, which is not low, it is medium, with a smooth frame rates around more than 60 FPS. Edit videos and also photos, music efficiently. Office work can be handled very easily, and you can also do the multitasking with multiple applications seamlessly. Though you need for coding or for office work, presentations and PowerPoints, it can handle very easily. We are building with the future proofing, so in case in future you want to upgrade to a new component in the PC, you can upgrade it, and you can build a updated PC there. Now we will go to the detailed components of this PC, which we are currently building. For CPU process, we are going to AMD Ryzen 5 4600G at a price range of 9000. This comes with 6 cores and 12 threads, 11 MB cache, up to 4.2 GHz max boot, and also it inbuilt graphics, so we don't need a specific graphic card for this. Next, motherboard. We use ASUS Prime 450M, and it comes around 5300. It is good at this stage. For RAM, we will go with 16 GB, and it is around 3400. For 16 GB, you can have very flexible gaming experience and powerful, so it is best. And for storage, we can go to 5000 GB using the Kingston NV2, which is very fast, and this comes around 3700. For power supply, we use cooler master MW450, which is around 3200, which is comes with 450 watt, which is best for this build, and very most popular. For this, we use anti-sports Elite 1100, which is very standard and basic. It comes with 3 pre-installed fans for ventilation, 3 in front side and 1 in rear. And this cost is around 26,400. Still you got around 3000 rupees in hand. So I recommend 2 options here. You can go with upgrading RAM to 32 GB or upgrading storage to 1 TB. As we know, for some gaming purpose, you want more RAM, so you can upgrade to 32 GB here, or for with 16 GB you get sufficient gaming experience with Ryzen 5 460G. Still, if you don't want to more RAM and wanted to for storing purpose, you can upgrade this. Instead of 500 GB, you can go to 1 TB. As I say here, for 1 TB, it is around, if you add 2000 more here, you will get 1 TB. Likewise, for instead of 16 GB, you can here go to 32 GB. It comes around additional 4000, so it would be total 31,000. I recommend 2 options here. You can select for your convenience. If you want to go to gaming purpose and want more RAM, you can go here, upgrade it to 32 GB. If you want sufficient with RAM and want to increase storage, you can increase to 1 TB here. If you are sufficient with this above 2, then you can go with this and save the other 3000 if you want. Component breakdown, here we have mentioned the detailed each component features and its functionalities. Please go through it and check what are the details about the components. What are the performance PC? Seamless run micro office without lag and breakdown, and also Google Workspace. Or web browsing enjoy seamless performance when streaming videos or participating video calls, games, play modern titles like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Valorant at medium settings with a solid frame rates of around 60 FPS. Content creation, edit photos, videos with programs like Adobe Prime or Photoshop. This is a future proof build. So if in case in future you want to upgrade to also add to graphics card, you can add GTX 1660 or GTX 3050, which is very good for this PC for improving gaming purpose. And for RAM, you can go to 32 GB also in case in future you want to upgrade it for heavier multitasking and content creation. And also you can upgrade to SSD. I don't recommend HDD, it will take loading time. I prefer going with HDD. And conclusion, by this way we can achieve better gaming performance under 30,000. Here also we have related post for gaming building under 40,000 and 20,000 also, which is very good at this price. All the parts are fresh and new. No reuse second-hand products are used in these builds. Please go through our website Tech Geek Master and find the other latest topics here. You can find PC builds and PS5s and other great topics here. Thank you.